Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's your sanctuary. And the right plants can transform it into a fresh, peaceful retreat. Not only do they purify the air, but they also bring positive Feng Shui energy, promoting relaxation, love, and harmony. So, let's explore 20 of the best bedroom plants for oxygen and good vibes, and where to place them for the best Feng Shui effect. 1. Areca Palm, Dipsis lutescens. A natural humidifier and air purifier, the Areca Palm releases tons of oxygen at night. Feng Shui-wise, it softens the energy in the room, making it perfect for the corner of your bedroom to balance the flow of qi. 2. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata. Nicknamed the bedroom oxygen bomb, this plant converts CO2 into oxygen at night. In Feng Shui, it's a protective plant, best placed near the entrance to shield you from negative energy. 3. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. A top air-purifying plant, the peace lily removes toxins and adds moisture to the air. It also symbolizes peace and harmony, making it ideal for your nightstand or a quiet corner. 4. Aloe Vera. While purifying the air, aloe vera also radiates healing energy. Place it on a windowsill. It thrives in indirect light and protects against negative chi. 5. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. This low-maintenance vine is a natural toxin remover and brings wealth and positive energy. Let it trail from hanging basket near your bed to uplift the energy. 6. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Great for removing airborne toxins, the rubber plant is a symbol of abundance and prosperity. Keep it in the southeast corner of your bedroom for good fortune. 7. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. A humidity-boosting plant, the Boston fern filters formaldehyde and pollutants while bringing soothing energy. It's best hung near the bedroom window for fresh, lively qi. 8. Monstera Deliciosa. This trendy plant doesn't just look amazing. It removes carbon dioxide and improves airflow. In Feng Shui, its split leaves symbolize growth. Keep it near a wall or window for steady energy. 9. Bamboo palm, Chamomile seyfriedzi. This palm filters toxins and attracts peace and prosperity. Place it in the wealth corner, southeast, for abundance, or near your bedside for relaxation. 10th plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia. A low-light champion, the ZZZ plant releases high oxygen levels at night. It's known as the lucky plant, best placed in the north or east corner for stable energy. 11th, lavender, lavandula. More than just an oxygen booster, lavender is famous for its calming scent, which reduces stress and promotes deep sleep. Keep it by your bed for ultimate relaxation. 12th, spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. A pet-friendly option that removes toxins and increases oxygen. Feng Shui says it absorbs negative energy, so hang it above your bed for a protective aura. 13. Jasmine, Jasminum officinale. Its sweet scent is scientifically proven to improve sleep quality. In Feng Shui, it promotes love and romance, making it a great bedside table plant. 14. Chinese money plant, Pelea peperomioides. This plant is a symbol of luck and prosperity in Feng Shui. Place it near a window to energize the space and keep financial luck flowing. 15. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. Chamomile isn't just for tea. It's a powerful stress-relieving plant. Its gentle energy makes it perfect for a reading nook or bedside table. 16. Rosemary, Salvia rosmarinus. With its purifying scent, rosemary boosts memory and mental clarity. In Feng Shui, it strengthens protection energy, so keep it near the bedroom door. 17th. Orchid, Orchid ACI. Orchids release oxygen at night, while in Feng Shui, they symbolize love and fertility. Place them in the southwest corner to strengthen romantic energy. 18. Fiddle Leaf Fig, Ficus lyrata, a classic beauty that cleans the air while inviting prosperity. In Feng Shui, it balances qi, so keep it in a bright corner to uplift the space. 19th. English ivy, Hedera helix. One of the best air purifying plants, it removes toxins and mold spores. In Feng Shui, it symbolizes protection. Place it on a high shelf or hanging pot. 20. Golden Barrel Cactus, Echinocactus grusoni. Surprised? While some avoid cacti due to their spiky energy, the golden barrel cactus is great for protection and absorbing negativity. Just keep it away from the bed for the best feng shui effect. Adding plants to your bedroom isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels fresh, balanced, and full of positive energy. Which one of these plants do you already have? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share this video for more plant inspiration. See you next time.